Hello, dear students. In previous lecture, we started the factorization of a new type. So, in this lecture, first of all, we discuss the type which we discussed in previous lecture of factorization. That if we have the term like this x into x minus 2 and 3 into x minus 2, then how do we factorize it, or how do we take common? So first look at this. In this lecture I am going to take a common directly, because we know that x minus 2 is a common factor in these two terms. This is number 1 and this is number 2. So I simply write here, let me write it down, is equal to x minus 2. When I take x minus 2, then in first term there would be just only x, so I will write just only x, plus in second term there would be only 3, so I will write only 3. So the answer is x minus 2 into x plus 3. Now look at this second question, y square into y minus 1. So how do we factorize it? If you look at this, so we have y minus 1 is common. So I will take y minus 1 is common. The rest of the term would be, we have just only y square in first term, and plus 7 would be the second term left in this. So y minus 1 into y square plus 7 is the answer. Okay, so this is the factorization. So in part 3, 2 into p minus q plus y into p minus q, what is common here? If you look at this, so we have p minus q is common, so I will take p minus q, and inside the bracket there would be only 2 in first term plus only y in second term. So 2 plus y is the answer. P minus q into 2 plus y. The fourth part may be a little bit tricky, but not as so much. So p minus q and p minus q, here we have p minus q square, while in the second term we have just only p minus q. It means p minus q is common. So we take p minus q and then we write bracket, square bracket, and then here the one thing is 3 is left, and the other thing we just take only one p minus q common, and here we have two p minus q into p minus q, so one p minus q is left here, while in second term we just have only 2, so I will write only minus 2. So p minus q into this would become 3p minus 3q minus 2. So this is our final answer. Okay, so let me explain this step. Maybe mostly student got confused at, sir, how do we take p minus q common? And actually when we take p minus q common, so we have p minus q square. P minus q square, it means p minus q into p minus q. When I take 1 p minus q common, this one, so I have to divide 1 minus p minus q. So this p minus q cancel with 1 p minus q, and this p minus q left inside the bracket, which I write here, this one. I hope you got it. So okay, the next type which we are going to discuss in this lecture is, if we have four terms, so how do we factorize them? Ax plus ay plus bx plus by. So first of all, the first step is we make pair. Make pair of first two, and then make pair of the third and the fourth. Okay. So if you look at this, the first two, we have a common in first two, ax plus ay. So I will take a common. The rest of the term would be x plus y. But when you look at the second part, bx plus by, if you, so we have b common, and the rest of the term would be x plus y. So this is like a into x plus y plus b into. Now if you compare this question with the above one, these first two and third and fourth part, you feel that this will become like this. So we have x plus y common in the first section, and also we have x plus y in the second section. So we will take x plus y as common. So this would become like this, x plus y, and the rest of the term is just only a in the first term and b in the second term. So this would x plus y into a plus b. So let me explain it again. This is like that. First we make the pair of, first if we have four terms, make the pair of first two and make the pair of last two. Okay, so we take a common from first two, it would become x plus y, and when we take b common from the last two, it would become x plus b into x plus y, and then simply do it by the above technique. We take x plus y common and the rest of the term would be a plus b. So look at the next one, 2x square minus 4x. Again I said make pair of first two and then pair of last two. If you make the pair of first two, you will feel that we have two common, x square and x, there would be x common as well. So right bracket, when we divide 2 with 2, we have 1, and x with x square, it will be just only x, minus x and x cancel, and 2 divided by 4, it would become just only 2. So plus the second, there is only 3 common, and this would be also x minus 2. So x minus 2 common, and then we will write just only 2x plus 3. Okay, so if I explain this step, this I write 2x common, it means we have to divide 2x inside the bracket. So inside the bracket we have 2x square minus 4x divided by 2x and divided by 2x. When I divide 2 cancel, x will minus x. Here there is only x, so I just write only x here. So when 2 multiply by 4, 2 1 time 2 and 2 time 4, and x cancel, here we have just only 2, and I write here, look, this just only 2. So this is the way we take common. So let me raise this please. Okay. Then 3p here minus the third part, 3p here minus 3p. It is also a very easy question. So if you look at this, we have 3 common and also we have p common. So in first term, we just left only p minus 1 minus 2pq minus 2q, 2 is common, and also we have q common. So it would become like this. Here we have just only p. And remember one thing, when we take negative sign before bracket, now we have negative sign before bracket, the sign inside the bracket will change. So this would become plus sign plus 1, 2q common. So when you divide 2q with 2q, there is only 1. Okay, got it? So when you take 2q common, then inside the bracket the sign will change, it would become p plus 1. So 3p into p minus 1. Oh, just a little mistake, here is also plus, so plus, just let me correct it, there is plus. So if you look at this now, it is the p plus 1. Now we will take p plus 1 common, and the inside the bracket there would be only 3p minus 2q. So one more example, x square plus 2x, make pairs again. So we have x common, and inside the bracket there would be x plus 2 plus 4 common, and inside the bracket would be x plus 2. So when we take x plus 2 common, there would be x plus 4. This is our answer. So the fifth example, x square minus 7x x into x minus 7 plus 8. 8 and minus 56. 8 is common. So when you take 8 common, x minus 56 divided by 8 is also 7. So here we have x minus 7 is common. The next one, x minus 7 and x plus 8. This is our final answer. And the sixth one, x square plus 3x. X is common. The rest of the term would be, when we take x common from first two, and this would become x common and x plus 3. And when we take, because 4 and 12 minus 4 is common, another thing is that because now we are going to take minus 4 common, the sign inside the bracket will change. Now if I change the color of this sign, this would become plus. So x plus 3, and the next is x plus 3 is common, and this would become x minus 4. Simply is that when we take negative sign before bracket, the sign inside the bracket will change. Here if you look at this, in this part here, this is positive, so that's why the sign will remain same. Here we have negative, so that's why sign inside the bracket change. If you feel above, here we have also negative, so sign inside the bracket change, while here we have positive sign, the sign inside the bracket will remain same. Here we have positive, the sign inside the bracket will change. Here we have positive, so positive sign inside the bracket do not change. And plus 3, so sign inside the bracket will do not change. I hope you got it. So these are the practice question. If you want to practice, then you can practice these 4 questions of this type. Then I hope this topic is clear. If you have any question, then you can ask.